Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Canada responds to tariffs. First, Canada carefully evaluates the potential economic impact of any new tariffs on its key industries and consumers. This initial assessment helps determine the scope and severity of the challenge. Following this, the government engages in extensive consultations with affected businesses, industry associations, and provincial governments to understand their concerns and gather crucial input for a strategic response. After assessing the situation, Canada typically pursues diplomatic channels, engaging in direct discussions with the country that imposed the tariffs. These conversations aim to de-escalate tensions and find a mutually acceptable solution. If diplomacy proves insufficient, Canada may then initiate a formal dispute settlement process through the World Trade Organization, leveraging international trade law to challenge the tariffs and seek their removal. Should diplomatic and legal efforts not yield the desired outcome, Canada might consider implementing its own retaliatory tariffs on specific goods imported from the imposing country. This measure is often designed to create leverage and encourage a resolution. Concurrently, the Canadian government offers various support programs and financial assistance to help domestic businesses and workers who are negatively affected by the tariffs, ensuring their resilience. In the long term, Canada focuses on strengthening its existing trade agreements and actively pursuing new ones with diverse partners to reduce reliance on any single market. The nation also invests significantly in research, development, and innovation across various sectors to enhance its overall economic competitiveness on the global stage. This proactive approach helps Canada navigate future trade challenges more effectively. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.